Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we dive deep into the world of React optimization, focusing on two powerful tools, React.memo and useCallback. If your React applications have ever felt sluggish or unnecessarily complex, then understanding these tools is essential. By the end of this video, you'll be able to optimize your components for better performance, ensuring your applications run smoothly and efficiently. Imagine a bustling restaurant kitchen. Every chef needs to perform their tasks without unnecessary interruptions. Similarly, React Memo and Use Callback help streamline your code, reducing unnecessary re-renders and boosting performance. So, if you're looking to level up your React skills, stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe for more high-quality tutorials. Let's dive in. Let's start by understanding the problem. In React, components re-render when their state or props change. While React is quite efficient, unnecessary re-renders can lead to performance bottlenecks, particularly in complex applications. Think of it like a light bulb that flickers every time the electricity fluctuates. It's not only distracting but also inefficient. This is where React.memo and useCallback come in. React.memo is a higher order component that prevents re-renders if props haven't changed, acting like a filter that only lets through necessary updates. It performs a shallow comparison of props, which is efficient but requires caution with nested objects or arrays. On the other hand, useCallback is a hook that returns a memoized version of a callback function. It's crucial when passing functions as props to child components, ensuring the same function instance is used unless its dependencies change. This prevents unnecessary re-renders of child components. In essence, these tools help maintain a smooth flow of data and interactions within your app, much like a well-coordinated orchestra. Now, let's put theory into practice with a code example. We have a React application that includes a user profile page and a theme switcher. Our goal is to optimize component re-renders using React.memo and useCallback. We'll focus on the app.js file, which is central to our optimization efforts. With the useCallback hook, we memoize the toggle theme and add user functions. This way, the theme switcher and user profile components don't re-render unnecessarily. Here's the code for the app.js file. Picture this. You've just launched your React application. The page loads, displaying a light theme and a list of users. As you toggle the theme, notice the seamless switch to a dark mode without unnecessary re-renders of the entire app. Similarly, adding a new user updates the list efficiently. Each user profile component renders only when necessary, thanks to React.memo. The entire experience feels smooth and responsive, with no delays or flickers. This is the power of optimizing with React.memo and useCallback. And there you have it. By effectively using React Memo and useCallback, you can significantly enhance your React application's performance. This knowledge empowers you to build more responsive and efficient applications, improving user experience and resource management. Remember, learning is a journey, and every step you take enhances your skill set. So, why not subscribe to our channel? With each video, you'll accelerate your learning curve, gaining practical, real-world examples you can apply immediately. Keep experimenting, keep coding, and let's continue this journey together. Until next time, happy coding.